Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 1913, maximum product difference between two pairs. Easy level question. Let's get to the description. So the product difference between two pairs A, B, and C, D is defined by A times B minus C times D. Okay, for example, the product difference between 5, 6, 2, 7 is 30 minus 14, which is 16. Given the integer array nums, choose four distinct indices w, x, y, and z, such as the product between the product difference between pairs is maximized. Return the maximum such product difference. Okay, so let's boil this down really quick. We need to maximize the difference of basically two numbers. The first number has to be as big as possible. The second number has to be as small as possible. Let's see, are there any negatives in the input? There are no negatives, and the size and the length of the nums array is at least 4. Guys, I'm pretty sure that this is an extremely easy problem that we can get by sorting nums, picking out the last two digits, the last two elements, which would guarantee to give us the biggest number, pick out the first two numbers, which would guarantee to give us the smallest product, and subtract. Let's see if that works. Return nums, -2. -2 accessing the second to last element, and this is accessing the last element. 0 times nums 1. Here we're accessing the second to last and the last, and the first and the second. We should get the response. If this works, this is the fastest video that I've ever made, and I don't think there's even going to be an explanation. We are not doing super well. Just out of curiosity, I want to see what the very interesting. Supposedly sorting isn't as fast as picking out the max and the min 4 times. I find that hard to believe because picking out the max... Oh, actually, 4n is faster than n log n. So I guess that's still a solution. Although this is perfectly acceptable and it's way cleaner, and for something easy as this is perfectly acceptable. Let's end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.